Did everybody get their business cards put in the basket?
Put yours in this time.
Go next door.
I'm going to introduce Molly Smith. She is with Spot On, and she's going to do the introduction today. So I'll just step over for you.
Oh,
okay?
thanks, Ursula. Hi, everyone. My name's Molly. I'm with Spot On. I'm new to the chamber, new to the red carpet, so I appreciate you guys having me. But really, it's about Brittany. Tell me your last Esposito, yes. And what she's doing with Bighorn Design. So, Brittany, tell us a little bit about what you do and why we're all here.
Yeah, so we just opened up our Cheyenne storefront location. We've got 5 other locations. Our big hub is up in Sheridan, and that's where all of our apparel is printed. And then we also do custom orders with embroidery and screen printing, and I can take your orders here. They'll print it up in Sheridan and send them out. So basically this is a nice showcase of what we can do, give you an idea, and it's also, we're trying to support some local artists as well. We've got some up in the front, and we've got some more paintings in the back by another local artist. So yeah, we're just excited to be in Cheyenne.
Great. Well, thank you, Brittany.
Do you do logos? Do you design logos for businesses?
Yes, we do offer that service. Absolutely, you can do logo design.
Okay. Anybody else have some questions?
So what do you like about being in the downtown area right here?
We're pretty lucky. It's pretty awesome. We've got great neighbors. We've got cookies. We've got. We're really excited. And also, people have been pointing out that our address is 307, which is kind of lucky too. Yeah. So we're excited about that.
Brittany, explain to us some of the designs that they have here, because I know several people probably are not familiar with Go Slow or
right. So we
Surf
have
Wyoming. So tell us
we
about
have a couple of brands. We have Go Slow, which is designed by Bria Hammock. And then we have Surf Wyoming, which they started because people started surfing in the rivers up in...
Yeah, so people surf the Snake River up in...
Yeah, and they were the first recorded people to surf in Wyoming, so they made a clothing brand about it. So you've got really funny shirts with buffaloes surfing. So that's what that's about.
What are your store hours?
We're open from 10 to 5:30, Monday through Friday, and then on Saturday we're here 10 to 4.
Do y'all do custom designs?
Yeah, if you have anything custom that you need, we can do that, and we can print it, we can embroider it, whatever you need.
Tell me what kind of turnaround time there is on a project like that.
Sure, we try to do a 2-week turnaround time for all of our projects, unless there's something crazy going on. That's what we try to stick to.
Do you have gift certificates available?
Yes, we do. We've got gift cards.
Will you have any shop small promotions going on?
We're working on.
We're talking about that next week.
Yeah, we're working on some stuff with our neighbors though. They're doing a keychain promotion, and we're a part of that. Where everyone gets a keychain with a code and a promotion. So we're a part of that. That's going to be happening.
Can people find you on social media?
Yeah, we've got a Facebook page for our Cheyenne specific location too.
It's huge.
And then can people order off of the website? You have a website that they can order from?
The separate brands have their own websites. So Go Slow has a website and Surf Wyoming has a website. So if you're not finding something that you've seen up in Sheridan or something, it might be online.
The Wyoming is folk, is that a new one? I've seen Surf Wyoming for a long time. But
I think that's one of, is that one their newer?
No, it's been, I think, about 5 years actually. Okay. Yeah, we resurrected it a couple of years ago. But, yeah, it's kind of been one of the OGs. So.
It's fun.
It's been popular.
Any other questions?
Congratulations.
Okay, we thought we'd just go back there. Some of the taller people, if you can stand behind the house.